So, am I audible? Can you check everyone? Check, am I audible or not? So that I can plan accordingly. Think fine. Hello, online. Please let me know if everything is okay or not. Audio okay? Sir, good evening. Thank you for providing best algorithm course. I am following your 1 month. I am following your 1 month 3 subjects planner. Hope I will bind up syllabus by mid-September. Thanks for motivation in between the class. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the best. Shahrukh. Arey Shahrukh, go and act in Bollywood. Why are you here? GATE is like DP, sir. Exactly. Right? Do total syllabus one time. Don't do same subject 25 times. That's what you want to say. Shahrukh, my suggestion is, why are you here? Go to Bollywood and do nonsense. Watching you live after so many days. Arey Ayush, 2 days back we are there, right? 2 days back we both met. Yeah, some two people also came. Good morning, sir. One dog is saying good morning. Good morning, dog. Dog, good morning. How can you say good morning now? Hangover, still hangover is not over. Still hangover is not over. Who said to you drink that much? You might be from some other country. I have not taken subscription. Sir, I am worried about preparation. When I can talk. Yeah, say, what is your problem? Say, Ash. I will help you. Yeah, good evening, Gaurav. Good evening. I am a old student of Unacademy. I know, Ash. Please let me know. Sir, when your CN will start, 27th. 27th of this month will start. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Sir, I'm targeting of PSU, Triple Eight Hyderabad, BITS Pilani, Triple IT Delhi. Okay. Go ahead, Hash. I think that is a good planning. Right, please start writing the test series and all. It will be really useful to you. Please write the test series and all. It will be really useful. So what else? Please tell time about class. Yeah, morning 6 to 9, 6 to 9 a.m., 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Sir, which series of CN should I start from scratch? I think, right, the one which is going to start, that one you can attend. Remaining all you can go for recording. Sir, this is my second year drop. Parents are asking to get placed, then prepare. But I'm not getting any reply from companies. I am applying, please help. Ayush, this is not the time for jobs, Ayush. I'm very sure. This is not time for the jobs. This is the time for studies. Please study properly. It will come, I think, down the line. I think after 6 months, you may get some good. Best thing is, in my opinion, please complete the gate properly. So when you take RIC for CN and DM, right? So as soon as right, CN is going on, I will take the CN practice classes, right? CN RIC. See, when DM is going on, CN RIC I will take. When DM is going on, CN RIC I will take. When CD is going on, DM RIC I will take. October I will take my subscription with my money. Good boy. Salary will come, then I will take my subscription. Very good. Last year, what rank you got, Ash? Ash, last year, what rank I got? Himanshu, when you want RIC, I will definitely do RIC at least for you. At least for you, I will do. You are from Bilai, right? You are from Bilai, right? At least I will do. For you, I will do. For you, I will do RIC. Pakka. No, sir, I am Gorakhpur UP. Then for you, I don't do then. I thought different Himanshu. One more Himanshu is there. He is killing me. He is killing me. Night 1 o'clock he is calling and he is asking, when is RIC? I said, when you die, then I do RIC. There is a one Himanshu. Night 2 o'clock he called me and he said, when will you do RIC? I said, when you die, I will do. Then I cut the phone. I thought that dog is this dog only. Yeah, let's see what the YouTube people are talking. Sir, will there be any free class on YouTube? Yeah, there are some practice classes, right? I think a few classes we done, you can see. Today also some practice problems will be there, right? Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Some people are asking some doubt. I done this. So how much I can expect? So as your rank is 1800, make, but remove remove two zeros. Remove two zeros. Remove two zeros, man. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead this. Let's go ahead this. So those people who want to prepare for GATE 2024 or 25, if you want to start the GATE preparation for 24 or 25, right, from 27th of this month onwards, one batch is starting, right? In that batch, I am starting, right, computer network. I am starting in that batch computer network, right? So my suggestion is, if you are serious, you can take the subscription of Plus or Iconic, whichever you like, you can go ahead. There is a see 10% price drop also there, and flat 25% off also, and free some months also available. So these many facilities. If you are serious, you take. If you are not serious, you no need to waste money. right? You don't need to waste time also. If you are not serious, do something else. Don't waste money and right, don't waste your time also. If you are serious, if you don't take subscription, definitely your time will be wasted. One more year you have to wait, right? If you are serious, right, it is not possible to practice by your own. My suggestion is you can go for plus or iconic. Use the referral code Reddy sir. If any discount is there, you will get the discount also. But important thing is 10% price drop also there, 25% off also there, and some free months also there. 27th onwards, one batch I am starting computer networks. Right? Fine. Remaining subjects, see Algo DS recording you can see. I already completed. Algo DS recording you can see. I already completed. Next one. TOC CD, right? TOC CD recording you can see, and CD live also going to be happened. Next one, discrete mathematics and computer network, right? So computer network I am starting, computer network is over, discrete mathematics I will start, right? So these 6 subjects I am teaching in Unacademy, right? So remaining subjects, so many good faculties are there. Definitely, right? Every faculty will do their best. My suggestion is if you are serious, you can go for any one of these, right? Plus or iconic, you can go ahead. Next one, if you go for iconic, these are the advantages you will get. If you go for plus, right, this one you will get, the remaining things you may not get. So you select which, right, depending upon your requirement. Next one, right? These are our previous rankers. I wish you will also be here next year this time. Next, yeah, there is a one batch is starting, all-star batch, right? In that I am starting, right, 6 o'clock morning, early morning, right? If at all class not there, students don't woke up, right? I also don't woke up and you also don't woke up if class is not there. So that is the reason I planned this one, right? Morning 6 o'clock, this particular, right, class is there. So 6 to 9, right? Use referral code Reddy sir, right, to get the discount, whatever is they are giving, right? So as I mentioned to you, in this batch, I am starting, I am teaching algo, data structure, computer network, discrete mathematics, TOC, CD. These are the 6 subjects I am teaching. So almost already all recording also there, right? Live also going to start for a few batches, right? You can utilize whatever way you like. One more batch I am starting, foundation batch also. That is also starting from 27th onwards. It is not English, it is English only, right? So it is English only, right? The batch name is foundation batch. These are the list of books. If you take iconic subscription, you will get all these books. Next one, EMI option also there, right? You can utilize the EMI option. If you have some financial problem, you can utilize the EMI option. There is offline classes also going on. You can happily join in this. If at all, if you think offline you like. If you like offline, you can go for this. Right. I hope everything is fine. Now let's go to the next problem. I think previously we stopped here. Can you go ahead? What is the answer of this? Right. What is the answer for this problem? Sir, sorry for being negative, but I am good in GATE complicated subjects. But sir, what if I didn't went for Marg next year? Sir, is there any opportunities for students who just crack a good GATE rank just after the GATE examination? I complete all of your subjects, just love your courses. Yeah, please do your best. Don't think all these things. After GATE, we will discuss all these things. Sir, how many classes you will take approximately to complete the entire syllabus? Already course page is already published. You can go through it. Right, 30 classes. 30 classes each of 3 hours. It's a matter of, I think, if I start 27th of this month, next month, this time it will be over. Next one, sir, please start the class. Yeah, I think everything ready. Yeah, fine. Can you see what the answer of this? An organization has a class B network and wishes to form subnets of, right, 64 departments. The subnet mask would be. Can you go ahead? So what may be the answer? I think it is a class B, right? So class B means, I think if you remember, class B means at the first octave. Yeah, class B means at the first octave, second octave, third octave, fourth octave, totally, right? 4 octaves are there. Class B means this is for network, this is for host, right? This is for network and this is for host. Suppose if at all they will ask you class B network, right? Right, class B network, right? Network mask, class B network mask. If they ask you 255, right? Network part keep, right? All ones, right? I think host part we have to keep zeros, right? But the thing is, they done the subnetting. Subnetting means, right, taking the bits of the host part. In the host part only some divisions are happened. How many departments? I think 64 departments. I think 64 subnets. Subnets for 64 departments. I think then what is the answer? In this one, 64. So 2 power 6. So remaining bits, if you see, I think 2 more bits are there. 2 more bits are left out here. This is 8 bits. So it goes to 255, 255. Here 6 people are ones. 6 people ones. 2 power 6, right? 2 power 6 minus 1, right? 2 with the 6 people means check properly, right? 2 power 6, I think, right? 6 ones are there, followed by double one, right? In this place, zeros are there. Next one is going to be all zeros, right? It's going to be 255, 255, yeah, whatever this value calculate. I think this value, if you calculate 2 bits, you have to remove. Total is 255. You are removing 3. I think it is the 252 followed by 0. I think this is the answer for this. Right? That's the answer for this. Mostly, I hope everyone got. If anyone didn't get, right, please check one time. I'm giving some time so that I will go to the next problem. Right? If you have doubt in between, right, you can ask me now. Am I audible till now? Check once, answer is 252. So nothing there. Because of class B, it became full. It is also became full. In this only class B, their subnetting. Subnetting is nothing but borrowing bits of the host. I think, right, 64 departments are there, 64 subnets required, 2 power 6. Remaining things are zeros. Right, this is anyhow zeros. So this is, I think, total ones are there 255. 2 people remove, so it's going to be 252. Totally 0. I think listen, option A is also true if they ask you class B net mask. Class B net mask, A is the answer. Right, next one, class, right? If you see the second option, I think 2 power 6, 64. People may think like that. So please be careful. So I think there is no chance of other people. I hope everyone got it. Let's go to next problem. Yeah, try what is the answer of this. Try answer for this. Yeah, many people said that answer is a D. Yeah, you are correct. Address of a class B host is to be split into subnets, 6 bits of subnet numbers. What are the maximum number of subnets and the maximum number of hosts in each subnet? Class B with a 6-bit subnet number. Okay. I think it's something like previous problem only. 6-bit subnet number. I think, right, because of that reason, 2 power 6, right? 2 power 6 subnets possible. So 64 subnets possible. Right, next one. How many hosts possible? Remaining people. Remaining how many? I think in the third octet, I think 2 people left out. In the next one, I think 8 people left out. I think 10 people. 2 power 10. I think 2 power 10 hosts possible. Right, because of all zeros, all ones not allowed. 2 power 10 minus 2. Right, 1024. Right, 1024 minus 2. 1022. So this is, I think, right, let's see if anything wrong. Class B split to subnets with a 6-bit subnet number. What is the maximum number of subnets and the maximum number of hosts in each subnet? Yeah, 1022. I think already option there. This one. Right, this one. Fine. This is the answer for this. It's a very interesting one, right? Some people may be confused also. Listen, all zeros, all ones you cannot use for host. All zeros, all hosts, that's why all zeros, all ones you cannot use for a host purpose. So with the 10 bits 2 power 10 minus 2, 1022, only one 1022. So you can select happily this. See, sometimes this is 62, sometimes this is 64. With the options, you can manage. Right? So, right, in some problems I see number of subnets, how many possible with the 6 people. Number of subnets, how many possible with the 6 people? 2 power 6 minus 2. Sometimes 2 power 6 only. Right? Don't worry that much. With the options, you can manage. Subnets, right? 2 power 6 minus 2. Sometimes only 2 power 6. You no need to bother. With the options, you can manage. But a major thing is this one. This is the major one. This is the major one. Check if anyone having any doubt. Right, sometimes minus 2 there, sometimes in the previous problem. Can you go to previous problem? You see the previous problem. If that is the case, you can go to the previous problem. See, 64 networks, 64 subnets with the 6 bits, how possible? Then 7 bits required, right? See this problem, 64 subnets you want. So 2 power 6, 6 bits only I am taken. Actually with the 6 people, 2 power 6 minus 2, 62 only. How 64? So sometimes he will take, right? Minus 2, sometimes he don't take minus 2, but with the options he will manage. Please remember, with the options he will manage. He will make the options accordingly. You will never get doubt also. But host is always minus 2. Host is always minus 2, right? Subnet sometimes minus 2, sometimes not minus 2. With the options you can manage. Anyone having any doubt, please write in the comment section so that I can, right, I can see, right, where you are facing the difficulty. Let's see what the fine, perfect. Let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. Right, this one I can. Before this one problem is that this also done. Can you go this? Yeah. What is the answer for this? Can you check? Yeah, please let me know what the answer of this problem. So what is the answer for this? A subnetted class B network has the following broadcasting address. Some broadcasting address is given. So subnetted class B network has the following broadcasting address. That means, class B is, I think, 8 plus 8, right? So I think 255, 255. Right? That the 255 is asking its subnet mask, right? Fine. Next one, broadcasting address is asking. So is given broadcasting address also. Is given broadcasting address. Broadcasting address means post part all once. He's asking what is the subnet mask. Class B subnetted network has the following broadcast address. Right? So one of the class B subnet, right? Subnet broadcasting address is given. He's asking what is the subnet mask. Right? Please check what will be the answer for this. Post part all once. Post part is all once. Right? I think it's a really nice problem. Right? Let me write once. 144, 16. Because of the class B, we cannot do anything. Subnetting. I think this area only some subnetting is done. This area, how much done subnetting, we don't know. Depending upon how many subnets you want. Subnetting is done. We already mentioned subnetting is done. Here 8 people, subnetting is done. But is not given the subnet mask, is given the broadcast address. Let's see this. Let me write the 95. 95 means how? 64 plus 32 is a 96. So 31. 31 is, I think, 5 bits. This is 31. It is the sixth bit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Sixth bit. Sixth bit 1. 2 power 6, 64. So 5 ones. Right? 64 plus 5, 195. This is a 0. Right? This is a 0. So let me write now. 95, if you observe, right? It is a 0. Seventh bit is 0. Seventh bit is 0. Check if I done anything wrong. This is the 95. So let me write now. 0, 1, 0, 1, followed by 4 ones, followed by, I think, right, this one, right? It is because of broadcast address, right? These are all ones are there. Total of host part is ones, everyone know. I think according to this one, if you observe, listen everyone know, broadcast address. According to this one, if you observe, 9 people should be ones. 9 people should be ones. 9 or what? I think here 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13 people once. 13 people once. 13 people once, right? Post part is going to be all ones. Post part is going to be all ones. Broadcast address also given. Right? Let's check one by one. Right? If you do end operation, this one and this one, right? You will get the network ID, you know very well, subnet ID. Right? Please check one by one. So, right, 224. How to write 224? Let me write 128, 64, it is going to be 192 plus 32, 12, I think 224. First three people are ones. I think these three people are ones. Followed by all, right? Remaining all 5, right? Remaining all the people, if you see zeros will be there. Remaining all the people will be zeros will be there. What is asking? Subnet mask. Subnet mask means what? Until right? Network ID, subnet ID. Network ID, subnet ID. They all will be ones. Right? I think this is looks like correct. This is looks like correct. What about 240? What about 240? Please check. Convert into binary format. 240, if you convert into binary format, 240. Let's check 224 already there. 60. That is a 240. 4 ones followed by this entire part, right? And he's asking subnet mask. If you do the subnet mask, is necessarily this one. Option A correct, right? Option A look like correct. It's subnet mask. 95. Am I written the 95 properly? Please check. 31 plus 64. 95. So A correct. How the B correct? How the B correct? So 240 means I think remaining is 4 bits are there and one more 8 bits. If you do 4 people, I think it total 12. So 144, 60, 95 is 0, 1, 0, 1, 4 zeros, right? I think 0, 1, 0, 1, 4 ones. 31 plus 64. Let me recheck one time. 16. Next one is going to be, I think, what is this number? 65. 65 is 65 or 95? 95. 0, 1, 64K. 5 ones. Dot 255. This is a given one. 31 plus 64. Yeah, that's fine. Right? So he's saying that which one of the following is a subnet mask? Which one of the following is a subnet mask? Broadcast address means we know one thing. Broadcast address means we know one thing. Right? Host part should be all ones. Host part should be all ones. necessarily 255, 255, 224. 224 is working because these all will be ones. These all will be ones. 224 is working. What about 240? Is 240 working? Let us assume until here using that right subnet. So remaining, I think all are working. That is also working. 240 also working. Next one, 248. 248 means, I think until here it is keep on going. So until here. So but from this, what can I say is, I cannot say exactly what is the host part. 16, 95, 255. This area I am confirmed, right? Until which part is the right subnet ID, we don't know clearly. We don't know clearly. 010 5 ones. Afterwards, 8 ones. So like I confused, maybe most of the students also confused. See this one. Here this is the host part. Until which place host part, we don't know. Until which place host part, we don't know. Right? But when you say broadcast address, host part will be all ones. But I don't know until which place host part is what. Until which place host part will be there. So we have to check manually. But while checking, I got to know this. Right? Host part can be maybe until here only. Host part can be maybe this also. Host part can be maybe this also. Anything can happen. So this also can happen. This also can happen. 248 also, right? Slowly it is increasing. This also, I think, could be any one of this. Answer is D, fourth option. Right? Those people who confused like me, right? If you have still confusion, let me ask you one small one. In this problem, what is the tricky part? Those people who are not getting, right? If you please confirm me one small line, it is more than enough. In this problem, what is the tricky part? In this problem, what is the tricky part? Those people who are not getting, please let me know in this problem, what is the tricky part? If you can catch this problem, then this is done. Normally, we think that that is our problem, right? The problem is that only. In this problem is that only. So is simply given a subnetted class B network. Broadcasting address given. Broadcasting means we know only one thing. Host part all once. Because of it is a class B, can you see this problem? Very interesting one. If you see the class B, this is the network part. This is the network part, right? There is no problem until here. Next one, this 8 for the host purpose. These two 8s are for the host purpose. This is for network purpose. Until now, no one having doubt. Right? And one more thing is, in this 8 and 8, subnetting also done. Goes to, few bits will goes to subnet purpose. We don't know how many subnets he done. He is given one subnet ID. We don't know how many bits he done. Without knowing how many bits right for the subnet purpose, he is given the broadcasting address. Broadcasting address means the host part is all once. We don't know how much part is going to be subnet. So let me write now. 8 and 8 for the network, right? 8 and 8 for the network. See this one. In the remaining 16 bits, we have to divide remaining 16 bits into two parts, subnet plus host. We don't know how many for subnet, we don't know how many for host. This is the actual tricky part. But if you say X people for the subnet, Y people for the host, because of he saying broadcasting address, these Y people are ones. I don't know
Y is how many people, X is how many people, we don't know. X is how many people, Y is how many people, we don't know. Then we have to see one by one, right? We have to see one by one. So the given 144.16 I written, right, according to the given IP 144.16, right? This 95 I written 01051 I written afterwards, right? Because of the right broadcasting address, I written all the ones I written. Then it became to 55. But the question is going to be here very, very important one. The question is going to be these 5 ones and these 8 ones, totally 13 ones. Out of these 13 ones, you have to divide into two parts. Out of these 13 ones, you have to divide into two parts. Which part is belongs to subnet, which part is belongs to host, we don't know. Anything can happen. These all 5 can be belongs to, right, host only. Out of those 5, only these 4 belongs to host only. Out of these 5, only these 3 belongs to host only. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Suppose isn't that no one belongs to. No one belongs to. I think this will come. Right? Next one. This 4 belongs to. Then this will come. This 5 belongs to. Then this will come. Right? Because if we don't have clarity, how much is given to subnet, how much is given to host, we don't have clarity, right? I think ABC is working. Right? This is a very, very tricky problem. If anyone is not getting stick, please let me know. Because of class B, 8 plus 8, first 8, second 8, already for network. In the remaining 2 8s, because of subnetting, remaining 2 8s, how much is taken for subnet, how much is taken for host, we don't know. But broadcasting address means we can say, broadcasting address means host parties all ones. See, host parties all ones. I don't know until which place a host part. I'm rounding also. Please see. Host parties all ones. See this one. Host parties all ones. This may be host part, or this may be host part. This may be host part. This may be. Anything can be done. But one thing is true. This cannot be host part because of this 0. In the broadcast address, if at all it belongs to host, how it is 0. So by seeing this 0, I can say that until here guarantee. From here, no guarantee. So that is the reason. So 3 options are working. It's a really nice problem. It's a really confusing problem. These problems, if you don't do before GATE examination, in the GATE exam, really they will trouble you. This problem will trouble really if you don't practice before exam. See, after 1 month, I'm doing 1 month, not 1 month. I'll IDA, followed by data structure IDA. Afterwards, TOC IDA. I think almost like 3 months. After 3 months, I'm doing this problem. See, I confused. If you that is a problem and you don't do practice. After 3 months before I done this problem. Right? And now after 3 months, I'm doing again. So it went out of my cache memory. So same problem will happen to you also. My sincere suggestion is every month one time or every 15 days one time, completed subjects you have to revise. Otherwise, it doesn't matter. Cache memory don't care what you are. If you revise, right, every 15 days one time, cache memory will respect you. Otherwise, right, it will delete from the brain. It will create a lot of implications. 3 or 4 months back, I done this. Again, I am doing some confusion came. If you don't revise, these are the problems. So please take care. I sent Pixar. Where you sent? For this problem only, Ajit. Ajit, for this problem only, I think you got now clarity or not? Nothing there. Here, we don't know. Right? Until which part subnet? We don't know. So that is the reason. So 3 options came. Yeah, if you are clear, that is fine. Until which part is subnet, we don't know. That is the issue here. So all options are working. That is the reason option D could be any one of these. It is an excellent problem. It is not your mistake. It is not my mistake. It is a very good problem. Please take care. Until which part subnet, we don't know. I am writing the major line also. Until which part subnet ID, we don't know. We don't know. That is the issue in this problem. It is a really good problem. Really good problem. Please take care. Thank you, Anand. Thank you so much. So please keep on revise. Please take it as my advice to you, right? I face so many problems like this, right? When I do after 4 months, I used to forget this. Everyone is human. Everyone, not me, not you. Everyone is human. When you don't study 4 months continuously, right, it will go out of the memory. It will trouble you. You can do this, but it will trouble you. So please keep on practice. It's a really nice problem. So here the question is, listen, this is the problem here. Here, this is the problem I written also. See this one. When you say broadcast address, host parties all ones. Host parties all ones. The question here is it belongs to host or subnet. It belongs to host or subnet. That is the issue here. So if you take out of these 8 people, if you take 3 only belongs to subnet, remaining 5 belongs to host, then option A. If you think first 4 belongs to subnet, remaining 4 belongs to host, then second option. If you think first 5 belongs to subnet, remaining 3 belongs to host, then third option. So like that it is keep on going. Like that it is keep on going because we don't have clarity. If we mention, see this one, if we mention one more interesting answer, this is the broadcast address, and one more thing he mentioned, subnet purpose, I am using 3 bits only. If we say it is a broadcast address, subnet purpose, I am using 3 bits only. I think 3 bits only, these 3. So this entire thing belongs to host, then answer is A. If they say this is the broadcast address, subnet purpose, I am using 5 bits. 5 bits means 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So only 3 people. Only 3 people belongs to host part. Right? Only 3 people belongs to host part. 7 you remove. Then some other option will come. So please take care. Accordingly, option will come. He didn't mention how much part belongs to subnet. Again and again, I'm saying to you. Again and again, I'm saying to you. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the today's class. Right. So 27th onwards, CM starting. Please take care. 27th onwards, CM starting. Please take care. And those subjects which you completed, please keep on revise. Those subjects, right, you already completed. Please keep on revise. 27th onwards, CM is starting. You can go for plus or iconic. Thank you so much. In the next class, we'll meet again. Thank you.